In this video, we're going to be looking at changing the air filter on your Mazda 5, also known as the Mazda Supremacy. This covers all models from 2010 onward. It's a pretty easygoing, straightforward process, and hopefully this video will help guide you through the whole thing from front to end. Right now, on Nexus. So this is the first thing you do here. So you locate in the engine bay to the right side of the engine. So we'll take a look here. As you can see, I'm on the right side of the engine itself. You'll see this kind of box right here. So in this box, let's move this over. You'll see two clips. There you go. One clip here and one clip here. So all you do is pop those open. Your finger, 1, 2, and lift right up. And you have easy access to your air filter right there. So this is the old filter here. So I always like to take a look, inspect it. It gives you a feel of the car, how it's operating. If you see anything unusual or anything like that, it may give you a good feel of what's going on. I also give it a little smell. And just see, especially if you're looking for any type of odd smells like fuel smells, or it smells like sooty, sooty sort of smell, which could be like burning engine oil or anything like that. So you want to be checking for anything like that, but especially newer cars, you shouldn't have that problem. You then want to compare the old filter to the new filter just to make sure that the fitment's correct. So that's just a matter of just lining everything up like this. Make sure the filters line up, and even check the height. Make sure the heights are correct. Most times visually you can tell, but you know, just checking for any discrepancies or anything. Once that's done, it's just a matter of lifting back up the box and sliding your filter in. Now as you slide it in, you just want to make sure it seats properly. So you'll tell it seats properly because it's fitted right into the frame that goes around here. Then as you drop this back down, it should just fit right on, because you're not taking anything off the back, you're only doing it on the front. So you shouldn't see any of this lifting off or anything. So you just hold this down here, one clip, and the other clip, and you're done. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you out here today. Now let's go through some of the YouTube stuff, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you out. And if you want to see my future videos, I try and put out one at least once a week. Make sure to hit notifications as well, just so you can get those videos. On the flip side to that, if you didn't like the video for whatever reason and you do dislike it, not a problem. Feel free to leave it in the comments of why you disliked it, whether it be something I did wrong, whether it's something you didn't like in the video. By all means, just let me know so I can keep making the best content possible. It's kind of the whole point of it, so make sure to do that. Speaking of the comments, if you have any questions, concerns, anything you want to add on, anything you see you can do better, anything that maybe you add on and it actually is worse, whatever it is, feel free to leave it in the comments. Nothing wrong with that. I always try and answer whenever I can. It may not be the same day, next day, whatever, but I try and answer all comments, so make sure to leave that as well. Once again, I want to thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.